Hi guys, so Samsung has finally confirmed the exact date and time for the next Unpacked event in February, where the Galaxy S22 series will be unveiled. We're gonna talk about it, and we're also gonna talk about some other details about the S22 series and the Unpacked event. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So Samsung is gonna release 3 S22 variants next month, and I'll get into the exact date and time in a minute. But there's gonna be an S22, an S22 Plus, and an S22 Ultra. The S22 and S22 Plus are gonna be more like the S21 and S21 Plus with a few upgrades. The star of the Unpacked event is gonna be the Galaxy S22 Ultra, since Samsung is merging the S and Note series into one device, which is gonna be the S22 Ultra. They recently released an official teaser which shows two devices, an S series device on the left and a Note device on the right, merging into one super awesome device. So the S22 Ultra is going to be the successor to both the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra, and that confirms previous rumors that the S22 Ultra is basically going to be a Note device. It's going to have the boxy design with slightly curved edges. It's also going to have S Pen support, and unlike the S21 Ultra, this is going to have the S Pen silo built right into the phone, so you can easily access and store the S Pen safely and conveniently, just as you would with a Note device. The S Pen in combination with the display is gonna offer a supernatural 2.8 milliseconds writing experience, which is 3 times faster than the 9 milliseconds on the Note 20 Ultra and S21 Ultra. Speaking of the display, it's gonna come with the 2nd generation LTPO technology, so it's gonna go as low as 1 Hz when necessary to save battery life. It's also gonna be the brightest display on any smartphone with a peak brightness of 1750 nits. That is much brighter than the S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. On the same day, Samsung is also gonna launch its next generation flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 series, which also has 3 variants: the base Tab S8, the Tab S8 Plus, and the Tab S8 Ultra. We might also see a new pair of Galaxy Buds, specifically the 2nd generation Galaxy Buds Pro. Anyway, Jon Prosser previously said the launch event was gonna be on the 8th of February, but later said it was gonna be postponed to the 9th due to supply chain issues. Well, Samsung finally confirmed the launch date and time in an Instagram advert, and Jon Prosser was right. It's gonna be on the 9th of February at 10 AM Eastern.
I have ascended!
I no longer am here to tell you about the news of today, but instead, the news of tomorrow.
So you can do the time conversion to know when the event will be live depending on your region. Anyway, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.